Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. We all have busy schedules, and sometimes elaborate recipes can take too long. This is when most of us rely on quick and easy recipes like this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my blood orange miso scallops. From start to finish, it takes less than 30 minutes and you've got yourself a nice elegant meal to enjoy. So let's get cooking. We'll go ahead and zest a blood orange. I'm using a microplane as I want it very fine, but if you don't own one, you'll have to finely chop after grating. See, this is what we want. Then we'll juice it and pour it in a bowl. To this, we'll add red miso paste, half a teaspoon of orange zest, and mirin. If you don't know what mirin is, I explain more on the website. This is the kind I use, and there's no alcohol content versus aji. Again, there's more info on the blog. We'll whisk the ingredients until nicely blended and set aside for now. Another ingredient that many might not be familiar with is Nira chives, also called garlic chives because of their strong garlic flavor. They come in a bundle like this and can be easily found at most Asian supermarkets. The ends here are a little brownish, so we'll cut and discard them. We'll finely chop the rest and set aside as well. Now, back to more familiar ground. Here are our scallops, and we'll pat them dry using paper towels. We'll season them with white pepper. If you want to add salt, go ahead. All right, let's cook. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add vegetable oil, and when it gets hot and starts shimmering, we'll place the scallops, season side down, and if you want, season the top with more white pepper. I normally don't because I still want to enjoy the delicate flavor from the mollusks. We'll cook them for about 1.5 to 2 minutes per side or until golden. When they're done, we'll transfer the scallops to warm plates, reduce the heat to medium-low, and also move the skillet off the burner for a couple minutes. 2 minutes later, we'll bring it back on the burner and add butter. When it's melted, we'll add the minced ginger and saute it for only 1 minute. To this, we'll add the blood orange sauce, stir well, and bring it to a simmer. We'll cook the mixture for 5 minutes or until it starts to thicken a little. Next, we'll add the Nira chives, stir until incorporated, and cook for 2 more minutes. We'll spoon the sauce over the scallops, sprinkle on more chives on top, and serve immediately with rice and steamed vegetables. And my friends, these are our blood orange miso scallops. Incredibly delicious and super quick to make. This elegant recipe is perfect for any occasion. The sauce has a nice flavorful profile that really complements the scallops. I'm sure this original dish will become a favorite. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!